What a crazy year to be in college. Most of you experienced the initial COVID lockdown period last spring, when the university was completely closed and we had to pivot to online asynchronous classes. Then you participated in hybrid classes last fall and this semester. We're slowly beginning to see light at the end of the tunnel. Hopefully the pandemic will come to an end soon with the increasing availability of vaccines. Despite this progress, the Tulse School, however, is unfortunately unable to gather together for our annual accounting banquet as we have in prior years. Nevertheless, we still want to celebrate our outstanding students and faculty. Please enjoy this video and help me congratulate the scholarship and award winners for the 2020-2021 academic year. We are proud of each and every one of them. We hope to be back to normal operations in the fall. Go Dogs!